Hi, I'm Rick Michelle. This is Invincible Painting Basics, and today, well, I thought this day would never happen. But it's not that I set out for this to happen. I never set out to accomplish this. This channel has reached 10,000 subscribers this morning, and it's all thanks to all of you out there. So a really big, heartfelt thanks from me to you. I'm really stoked, you guys. Now, I didn't get into this to get lots of subscribers, but simply to help out DIY home renovators. Now, when I first started, I didn't even know what end of a camera to use, let alone how to record good audio. It's been a roller coaster ride in that department. Now, I'm much better now with my video productions, a whole lot better. Now, I literally dived into the deep end of the YouTube creation, content creation thing. And although it was a very steep learning curve, I really enjoyed the learning process. Beats painting. Plus, I like to help people, and this was one way that I could do just that. Now, from the comments over the years, I believe we've accomplished just that, so I think we're doing something right. Now also, I've been told by many that if I don't upload content on a regular basis, my channel would wither and die. Now, I haven't uploaded anything in over a year, as you probably have noticed, but it hasn't died, and not even close. In fact, it keeps growing, and it's growing at an even faster rate today. Now, I can only put that down to one thing, and that is it's good content. I'm not trying to brag or anything like that, but it's just plain and simple good content. I did this over 4 decades. I should know what I'm talking about. Now, as good as this information is today, it will still be good information for the DIYers decades from now. So what we've created here is basically a library of good content. So as a subscriber, you have access to, well, whenever you finally get around to doing that reno project. Now, whether it's the exterior of or the interior of your house, it might even just be a bedroom or a bathroom. If you need to learn and want some tips and tricks on how to patch or roll walls or putty holes, you know, there's lots of tips and tricks that are virtually at your fingertips when you need them. So basically, that's why I think people still subscribe. Now, if this is your first video you are watching, subscribe so it is always at your fingertips. And think about sharing this with your family and friends. At some point, we all put our hands to a reno project that needs painting, and we're all helping each other. So we get our end product. So you're doing your part in helping me, helping them. So where to from here? Well, I do have some more videos planned sometime in the not too distant future. Life just gets in the way of things. Some will be a remake of videos I've already produced, but in much better quality, both in video and, most importantly, good audio. Now, I do know that some of you have had issues with the no sound on your smartphones, but I put that down simply to just being the early days and not really knowing what I'm doing. Okay, so no more audio issues. Again, a really big thank you to all of you who have already subscribed and to new subscribers that are subscribing today. Now, I truly appreciate your support, and I'm really stoked at how so many people like my content. It gives me a fuzzy feeling. So take care, happy painting. Remember, people who paint make the world a colorful place. I know, corny, isn't it? But anyway, so long everyone. We'll see you soon.